Right, as you can see I've got all the measurements. Oh dear. There's one more here. What I do, I put it onto my measurements, like my marks there. Okay, and then I mark the ceiling. Put it onto here. And I mark the ceiling. And obviously when you put it onto there, this is just a normal cut anyway. You'll have this going on. And like I say guys, all the walls are out, so I've just got to kind of work with what I've got. I'm going to do this bit over here. Yeah, that's bang on. It's near enough. Yeah. Right. So that's good. That's all worked out nice. Right, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my laser level up and it's going to hit this corner and I'm going to marry it up to this point here. I don't know if you can see it. It's where like the two lines cross. So it's going to hit this line here, the laser, and then I'm going to find out what that is there. Okay, let's go. So what I've done now guys, I've set the laser level up and it's hitting bang on the corner all the way down, and that is my angle. So I'm going to draw a line in between. Well, I'm just going to basically draw a line on that laser level. I'm going to get like an adjustable set square and then transfer that over to my rip saw. I think I'm going to try and cut the coving with my rip saw and see how we get on. Right, there you go guys. I've set that one out. Now I'm going to do my next corner. Okay, do just rinse and repeat. I'm going to put the line on it, put the adjustable square on it, and there we have it. Hopefully that should work. We'll see how it turns out, eh? See if I'm right or wrong. Alright, let's see what happens guys.